Ever had a meal container leak all over your bag? Or worse, heat up food and get weird sticky stains? Meet your new lunchtime hero, our aluminum heat seal containers. They come in vibrant colors, so no more boring plain boxes. Food grade, FDA certified, totally safe for your meals, even hot ones. Super tight seal. No spills ever. Microwave, oven or freezer, they handle up to 280 degrees C. Heating never fades the color, so your containers stay bright and clean. Eco-friendly too, reusable, cutting down on waste. Since we're the factory top quality at unbeatable prices. Ready to ditch the old, unreliable ones. Swipe up to grab yours now.